One of the statements that's got everyone's attention on social media specifically, that is of the RSS. And that has come in on different factors, but one of the aspects have been to show concern for the northeastern state of Manipur, for democracy, that there have to be discussions and debates consistently. And this is the first comment from the RSS in the election results. And minutes after the allocation of the portfolios, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat gave out what clearly appeared to be a stern message and a vision for India, reminding the Modi-led NDA dispensation that law and order problem that plagues the northeastern state of Manipur must be addressed right away in a time-bound manner. And the Manipur aspect was separately mentioned, clearly the focus there on the conflict that's brewing. Speaking about the recently held Lok Sabha elections, RSS chief also asserted that there is a need to get over the election rhetoric, focus on the problems that concern the nations. He further went on to say that our tradition is of evolving consensus. One should do hard work but not be arrogant. Raking Manipur, Mohan Bhagwat has asserted Manipur has been crying for peace for over a year. They have been trying to get attention for over a year, and that solution has to be absolutely necessary now. So this, remember, is very significant. Listen in now to what Mohan Bhagwat said.
काम करे, लेकिन मैंने किया ये अहंकार न पाले, तो हम इस देश की सच्ची सेवा कर रहे ऐसा होगा। और अपने देश को हम सब लोगों के सच्चे सेवा की आज आवश्यकता है और विश्व को भी आवश्यकता है। भारत का वो जीवन ध्येय है, पूरे विश्व की सेवा। वो करने लायक भारत को खड़ा करना है तो समाज को इस प्रकार बनना पड़ेगा। समाज ऐसे बनेगा तो व्यवस्थाएं और व्यवस्था चलाने वाले लोग अपने आप उसके पीछे पीछे चलकर ऐसा बनेंगे। अब 1 साल से मणिपुर शांति की राह देख रहा है। उसके पहले 10 साल शांत रहा। पुराना गन कल्चर समाप्त हो गया ऐसा लगा, और अचानक जो कलह वहां पर उपज गया या उपजाया गया, उसकी आग में अभी तक जल रहा है, त्राही त्राही कर रहा है। कौन उस पर ध्यान देगा? प्राथमिकता देके उसका विचार करना ये कर्तव्य है।